So what's restorative medicine? It's a term you're seeing a lot lately. Restorative medicine, integrative medicine, regenerative medicine, they all mean the same thing. So basically all this is it's a new emerging cutting edge field of medicine that a lot of us are so crazy excited about, because we're getting into the part of medicine now where we're finding the cells and the chemical makeup of the body that triggers an immune response for us. It triggers a healing response for us. So there's ways to actually now harness the power of the body and magnify it like 10, 50 fold into areas where we have damage. And it literally regenerates cells. So restorative medicine is kind of this umbrella where you talk about things like stem cell, you talk about things like exosomes, you talk about things like PRP or PRF or these different blood plasmas, but they're all under the same umbrella where we take parts of the chemistry of the body, we reintroduce it to areas that are injured or sick or diseased, and let the body heal itself. It's so in line with alternative medicine. It's so in line with natural medicine. It's just a beautiful transition for these integrated offices like ours to have multi-specialties who all have the same goal to help your body heal itself as safe as possible. So integrated medicine, restorative medicine, physical medicine, regenerative medicine, it all means the same thing. And it's about taking the chemistry of the body and reintroducing back into your body to have an immune response and a healing response at a much greater level.